Wait, let me check if I've forgotten anything. Nope. A question from all my non-biker friends. Why do these guys go for bike rides? Well, to answer this question, we'll have to go through a set of many more other questions. Is it to wake up early? The initial resistance to leaving the warm cocoon of blankets washes over the biker, but it's quickly replaced by anticipation. They know that today's ride will be unique. The quietness of the morning amplifies the sound of the engine coming to life, and for a moment, the biker feels like they are disturbing the serenity around them. But this is the ritual they embrace, the initiation into a day full of freedom and exploration. As the sun climbs higher, the biker knows that the world they left behind is now in full swing. People are rushing to work, traffic is building up, and the city is coming alive. But for the biker, they have already lived a lifetime in those few early morning hours. Is it to pay for the gas? As the biker stands at the gas station, the fuel pump's digit climb relentlessly, reflecting the soaring cost of petrol. A number of thoughts swirl up in the minds of the biker. As the petrol pump finally clicks off, the biker takes a deep breath, and despite of knowing all the challenges, the call for the road is too strong to resist. Is it for the bad roads? As they hit the bad roads, the constant jostling and vibration challenge their riding skills. They find themselves adjusting their grips on the handlebars, trying to maintain control amidst the unpredictable terrain. The engine's roar becomes more pronounced, echoing the biker's determination to conquer whatever lies ahead. As they finally emerge from the rough terrain and onto the smoother paths, a sense of relief washes over them. Is it for the traffic? As the biker sits waiting in their motorcycle, engine rumbling gently beneath them, a sense of restlessness begins to creep in as the traffic slows to a standstill. In this moment of confinement, they contemplate the essence of riding and why they love it so much. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the excitement, and the thrill of not being in complete control of their destiny. For close calls, as the biker cruised down the winding roads, it heightened their sense of freedom and excitement. Suddenly, a car, an auto, a bike, and a porthole the size of the contractor's girlfriend's control AKS appeared out of nowhere. Time seemed to slow down as the biker's heart skipped a beat. With a firm grip on the handlebars, they leaned the bike and swerved, narrowly avoiding a disastrous collision. In that split second, a flurry of thoughts raced through their mind. The fragility of life and the realization of how one moment of carelessness could shatter everything they held dear hit like a tidal wave. The last and the most important question that brings us back to the main question: why do these bikers go for rides? The open road stretches endlessly before them, a mesmerizing pathway to which the scenic beauty unfolds around every bend, as if nature herself has laid out a majestic carpet of awe-inspiring landscapes. As the journey progresses, a mystical transformation occurs. A blanket of fog, like a magical wheel, descends upon the road, adding an element of enchantment to the experience. The biker becomes one with the fog, gently caressed by its touch. The world softens around them, leaving only a sense of mystery and wonders. As the road winds on, the fog begins to lift, revealing the climax of the journey. The biker's heart swells with gratitude and satisfaction. They have ridden through the wheel of fog, traversed the open roads, and witnessed the splendor of the world. And in doing so, they have uncovered the profound love that bikers hold for the road, a love that transcends the boundary of space and time, a love that connects them with the essence of life itself. Hope your questions have been answered. I have to go and get ready for my future rides.